Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about StoryJumper. Now, StoryJumper is an online platform able to be used in the classroom for teachers who wish to create their own books or go through a plethora of other books created by different teachers for different lessons and other activities students can do. All right. If you are looking to browse through a bunch of the photos or a bunch of the books, the library tab is in the top right under your search bar. Just click on it and you can scroll through. Now, there are different books you can search, but we're actually going to create a book. So I'm going to click back on home. I'm going to create a book to show you. So I'm just going to do blank because there are different templates you can use, but I want to show you how to create it, how to work it. All right, so if you'll notice on the left side of your screen, there's a few different tabs. There's a text tab, a props tab, scenes, photos, and a voice tab. The text tab, you can choose any of these and you can type. And I'm just going to choose big text box. And I will say, Mr. Huggins took his class to learn about snow. I'm just going to minimize this. I'm going to click on that top right hand corner, top left hand corner, and just move it down. All right, if you scroll down on the left hand side, under the props, you'll see scenes. I'm just going to click on scenes and I'm going to add a picture. Let's look up snow. Let's choose this picture of the mountain and the ski slope. Hit the X, and that drug it over here to your scene. So you can just click it and it'll pop up. Mr. Huggins took his class to learn about snow. So we could click on prop, and I could click on or search for snowflake. That's a pretty one. Why not use this? I'm going to hit X. I'm going to add this to it. See if I can move this. And we'll do a class. All right. I'm going to say use this as a scene. It looks like it's more as a use a scene as a prop. And that doesn't really work out well for me, so we'll just delete this. You see that above there, above your prop, you're going to have the delete marker, and that's what we're going to do. Same thing with this one. Let's do Mr. Huggins. Here's Mr. Huggins. And if you'll see, our props will block out our words. So if we clicked on these arrows here, move back, and our words will come to the front. And you can scroll through the different options and add a class in there to learn about the snowflakes. For our next page, we can move it over here, and it does a side-by-side. So we're able to see what's going on in our last scene and how to edit it and how it can flow into the next scene. Now you can add as many tabs as you like. This actually only goes up to 16. And then at the very end, we're able to buy our book, a published copy. We can share it with the public and we can collaborate with others. This is extremely helpful for teachers who have some students who have difficulties learning English or writing English. This allows students to be creative and demonstrate what they're trying to learn so teachers can accurately gauge that content knowledge. I really find this idea of storyboarding completely uplifting and motivating for students to use. Students have something to look forward to, and at the end of the year, they can actually buy these books and take them home with them as sort of a memoir of creating these. It's a very great assignment, and it's very good.